A microwave is one of the most convenient kitchen appliances, but it can quickly develop unpleasant odors from reheated leftovers, spills, and splatters. Here are a few tips to make your microwave smell clean and fresh. Lemon is a natural cleaning powerhouse known for its fresh scent and gentle acidity. Its natural oils help cut through grease, while its citrus aroma neutralizes unpleasant odors. Slice a lemon and place the pieces in a microwave-safe bowl filled with water, then heat it on high for 3 to 5 minutes until it boils and creates steam. The steam helps loosen any dried-on food while the natural lemon oils freshen the interior. Let the bowl sit for a few minutes so the vapor can work effectively, then wipe the inside clean with a cloth. This will help remove stains and eliminate odors. White vinegar is a powerful natural cleaner known for its strong deodorizing and disinfecting properties. Its high acidity helps break down grease, kill bacteria, and neutralize stubborn odors. Combine half a cup of white vinegar with half a cup of water in a microwave-safe bowl and heat the mixture for 3 to 5 minutes until it produces plenty of steam. The acidic nature of vinegar helps neutralize odors and break down grime, while the steam softens any dried or stuck-on food. Once the cycle is done, simply wipe the interior with a sponge or cloth. The smells disappear almost instantly, and any stubborn residue wipes away much more easily. Angry Mama is a clever microwave cleaner that uses steam to quickly remove dirt and grime. Simply add vinegar and water to her body, then microwave for about 7 minutes. The steam released from the top softens stuck-on food, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals or strong stain removers. Made from heat-resistant materials, Angry Mama is both cute and practical, and she is dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Dawn Dish Spray is a convenient, grease-cutting cleaner that works quickly to break down food splatters and residue inside your microwave. To clean your microwave with Dawn Dish Spray, simply spray a small amount onto a damp sponge and gently wipe the interior surfaces. The grease-cutting formula helps loosen stuck-on food and residues, making them easy to remove. After wiping all sides, rinse the sponge and go over the surfaces again to remove any remaining soap. This quick method not only cleans effectively but also leaves your microwave smelling fresh. With just a few simple tricks, you can eliminate odors, remove stains, and have your microwave smelling fresh and inviting in no time.